Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to recover deleted messages on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issues, if someone deleted messages after sending it to you, if you are facing these issues regularly, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just tap on the settings, scroll down. Here you need to find notification. Tap on the notification. In this you will find notification history. Tap on this. You can see use notification history. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, what you will get, if someone sends you the messages and deleted it, you will get all the details here in this notification history. So after receiving the messages and it got deleted, then what you have to do, you have to just tap on the settings, tap on the notification and tap on the notification history, and here you will get all the notifications. That's it guys. So in this way you can recover deleted messages on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.